Hi guys, this is Dinil Rahul. Welcome to my channel. How are you all? Andaru elagunnaru. So today is my last day in Kodaikanal. So I'll show you how homemade chocolates, guys. Trust me, this is really so nice. Yesterday I had so many homemade chocolates. So today I'll show you, this homemade chocolates. There are so many varieties out there, almost 200 varieties. So I'll show you each and everything here. But trust me, this place is something else. I have seen so many chocolates here. I'll show you everything, and there are so many things are there. I'll give you this address also. You can check in my description box. So come with me. I'll show you so many chocolates are there for only this video, only for chocolate lovers. Get ready. Come, bro. So yeah, once again, he'll switch on the light.
நைட் மேல லைட் போடுறா அத போடுறா போடுறா.
So he will tell the flavors and all. So first this, which flavor, bro?
Choco chips.
Choco chips. Next, stones. This
Mango bar.
mango bar. This
Imli.
This
Jellies.
jellies. This
Rice ball.
rice balls. So there are so many toppings are there. You can see here. Can you open the door?
Choco
Yeah.
chips.
This
Mango flavor.
mango flavor. This
White flavor.
Strawberry. Wow. This
Milk. White and dark.
This
Dark.
okay. This
Oh, crunchy. Chocolate.
this
Oh, crispy ball.
this
Same.
crispy balls. Okay. What about this?
Chocolate.
Once again. Yeah, chocolate.
Chocolate.
This
Same.
okay.
Dark white.
White chocolate, dark chocolate. This one
Oh, milk.
milk chocolate. So here there are so many varieties are there. Will come. Okay. This
Oh, crunchy.
crunchy. Okay. So this
Chocolate dark plain.
dark plain. This
Fillings.
This
White crunchy.
white crunchy. This
Dark crunchy.
dark crunchy. This
Flavor chocolate.
flavor chocolate. This
Oh, fillings. Mango.
fillings, mango fillings. This
White and dark.
white and dark. This
White raisins.
white raisins. This
Cashew.
wow, cashew. So this
Oh, milk strawberry.
milk strawberry. Okay, this
Coconut.
coconut. Okay, this
White and dark.
this
Cashew.
cashew. Wow, so you can see these balls. Yeah, this
Caramel flavor.
caramel flavor. This
Mango.
mango. This
Mango.
mango. This
Strawberry.
strawberry. This
Orange.
orange. This
Strawberry.
strawberry. This
Mango.
mango. This
Orange.
orange. This
Strawberry.
strawberry. This
Guava.
Goa.
Guava.
Wow, Goa. This
Caramel.
caramel. Superb. This okay, no issues.
White caramel.
White caramel. Okay. So this
Watermelon.
watermelon. Okay, this
Honey.
honey. Okay. So this
Fruitnut.
okay. This
Dark strawberry.
dark strawberry. Okay. This
Oh, filling.
fillings. Okay. This
Fruit delight.
fruit delight. This
Dark choco chips.
dark chocolate chip. This
Oh, plain dark.
plain dark. This
Fruitnut.
fruitnut. This
Oh, wafers.
vapors. And this
Dark filling.
dark filling. Wow, you can see, you know what, all these are chocolates only. So this
చాట్స్ Cadbury చాట్
Cadbury chart. Wow, it looks so yummy, no? You can see.
Almond.
This is almond.
Coated almond.
Okay, coated almond. Almond chocolates. This
Oh, rice ball, crispy ball.
crispy ball. This
Same.
okay. See, there are so many varieties of chocolates are there. All these are homemade chocolates. So guys, this is the shop. You will get here everything spices also they are giving. I'll show you this, exactly where it is located. It's a Kodai chocolate factory exhibition. It's a very famous in Kodaikanal. So if anybody planning to come Kodaikanal, don't miss at all. You can see how many are there. See? Yeah. Damn good guys. So if anybody planning to come Kodaikanal, don't miss at all. Come here and just have fun with these cute chocolates, homemade chocolates. So I'll give you the link in description. Just follow the route. Bye bye.